WMF Peak 50, Water Filter Replacement. In the menu, select Care and then Filter Change one after the other. Pull out the water tank on the right side and empty out any remaining water. Now remove the old water filter from the unit. Take the new filter out of the package and place it on the holder in the tank as usual. Fill the water tank with fresh water and reinsert it into the machine. Now place a 3-liter container under the hot water spout. After you confirm on the display, the machine will automatically flush the filter. Please be careful, as water will be coming out of the outlet during this process. Once the rinse cycle is complete, the machine is ready for use again.